Guys, welcome back to another episode of C programming tutorial. In today's episode we are going to learn about another interesting feature of C programming called the C preprocessor. So before going to learn about C preprocessor, you have to know something about what are the steps, what are the phases through which a C program going throughout its life cycle. So here, suppose I create a program called hi hello.c. I create a C program and I save the file with the name hello.c, and I compile the program using compiler, the C compiler. I compile the program using compiler. So the compiler will convert this program into hello.obj. The compiler will convert the program into another format called hello.obj. So before you are going to run, it is hand over to the linker. The linker will perform the actual execution of the program. So the linker convert the program into hello.exe. Actually this file is running. The exe file is actually we got the output from the .exe file. These are the basic steps through which a C program going throughout its life cycle. So first the compiler will compile the program and is converted into hello.obj file, and after that when we run the program, the linker will convert that file into hello.exe. Actually this file will execute in our computer and we got the output. So the C processor the C preprocessor come in between the source program and the compiler. So here comes the C preprocessor. Here comes the C preprocessor. So before hand over the program into the compiler, the preprocessor will convert the program into hello.i. I means intermediate format. This is the file extension for the intermediate code generated by the C preprocessor. So just I know that you have no idea about what I mean by C preprocessor. So this is the working of a preprocessor throughout the life cycle of a program. So uh, before hand over the program directly into the compiler, the the C preprocessor take some action on the program, and it will create the intermediate code for that particular source program, and that code is handed over to the compiler, and compiler will compile the program and generate the object code, and finally the linker will convert that particular object code into .exe file. This is the C preprocessor. The C preprocessor actually done the expansion of macros. Just now I know you have no idea about macros. Just for this video, just understand that the preprocessor will just make an expansion of macros, and that is called the intermediate code. It is handed over to the compiler. Okay, um, these are the main components of a C preprocessor. The C preprocessor provides some functionality. There are four functionalities are provided by the preprocessor in C programming. First one is the macros, and second one is file inclusion. Third one is conditional compilation, and the last one is miscellaneous miscellaneous directives. These are the operations provided by these are the functionalities provided by the C preprocessor. This is for just theoretical knowledge. I know that you have no idea about what you mean by macros and what you mean by file inclusion and all these stuffs. So we will learn all these things in the coming up part of this tutorial. Just for now, just understand that the preprocessor is coming between the compiler and the actual source code. So it will convert the preprocessor take the actual source program, and it will make some changes on the program, and that program is provided to the compiler. Okay, okay, that's enough for this tutorial, enough for this part. On the next part we are going to learn about what do you mean by what is the actual purpose of C preprocessor, and we are going to learn about macros in C preprocessor. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.